the rulings of Hajj. Linguistically, it's intent. So Hajj means to intend something. One of the beautiful things about this pillar, Hajj and Umrah, in relation to intent, is once you've made your intention and you've gone into the state of Ihram, Labbaik Allahumma Hajj, you can't change your mind. You can't stop. You can't halfway say, this is too hard, I'm out of here. So that's why it's an intention. It's very, very important that you understand that intention. And we're going to talk in detail about when we get to the intention. Legally, intending Makkah and Masafir for specific rites during specific time period in worship to Allah. You cannot perform Hajj today. Even if you went to Makkah, you can't go to India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, South Africa to perform Hajj. Hajj is for a specific place, specific time. The virtues of Hajj, whoever performs Hajj without obscenity or evil deeds will return like the day his mother gave birth to him. Which means you come back like a newborn child. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about why you're going and why you need to try and achieve this goal. Umrah is the expiation of sins committed between it and the next, and a Mabrur Hajj has no reward but Jannah. We're going to talk a bit more detail about that as well. So, a Mabrur Hajj is one with the following characteristics. So what is a Mabrur Hajj? What do we mean by that? Who can tell me? What does the word Mabrur mean?
Accepted.
An accepted Hajj, right? So what are some of the characteristics of an accepted Hajj? People often say, how do I know my Hajj is accepted? Who wants to have a go at that? How do you know whether your Hajj is accepted or not? You know a lot of people that come back from Hajj, right? And people often ask, how do you know that your Hajj was actually accepted?
Life has changed.
Your life has changed. How did your life change?
For the better.
What is the better? What does it mean?
Closer to Allah, closer to...
What does it mean? Give me something practical. For the better, closer to Allah is all very vague. Give me something that's very, very, that you can say to yourself as an individual that I believe and I feel my life has changed.
You're conscious of, you're not conscious that before, and now you're conscious of Allah and you're doing everything.
That's one way. Something that's very, very practical that I say to most of the brothers especially, that is a litmus test for you, whether you've changed somehow, is if you don't go for Fajr Salah to the masjid today, and you still don't go when you come back, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. I'm not saying that is a sign. I'm just saying from a practical perspective, you need to find ways and say to yourself, what did I do different now that I've come back? How have I improved in my day-to-day ibadah that has made me different? All right? And we're going to talk about some of those things and how you can get yourself to that point, inshallah. So, sincerity, according to Sunnah, halal income, distance from sins. Signs of an Mabrur Hajj is when your state is better after Hajj when it was before Hajj. So it's a very vague statement, right? But we're going to try and get you some practical things today, inshallah, that you can say, I think, I hope, I pray that I've got there at least. Even if it's just one thing. Even if it's just one thing. The Prophet ﷺ said, our deen is built on 5 pillars. First, the Shahada, testifying there's no deity worthy of worship besides Allah, and that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, performing the prayers, making salah, paying zakah, making hajj, performing hajj, and fasting. So we all know this is a pillar without a doubt. And when you ask people, when we come to that, why are they going for hajj? Most people say because it is one of the pillars.